Hey ladies, it's me, Brandi. I am doing the quickest little Lilac St cleanser review, eyelash remover. I'm gonna kind of go over this with you guys really quick. You guys asked for this in my comments. We are going to first start off with the shampoo. It comes in this container. I kind of wanna show you guys what the lash shampoo is supposed to do. So you're supposed to put the lash shampoo on the spoolie and it's supposed to go in and clean the lashes while you're wearing them. That's what the lash shampoo is for. I highly recommend these products, you guys. But what I'm most excited about, which I wear concealer every single day. So if you're a concealer wearer, if you're a makeup wearer, I wear makeup every single day. And listen, I barely leave the house. I'm not even kidding you. Gosh, my gosh. This January and February have been so rough. I get super cabin fever. I live in a rural area. My husband's a lineman. And listen, ladies, I don't go anywhere. It kind of hurts my heart, but then at the same time, I'm like, I have 4 kids. There's really not a lot I'd be doing anyway. But I still do all the things every day. I know it's kind of crazy. It's kind of weird. Let me know in the comments if you're like that too. So this is kind of what I wanted to spend most of my time talking about. This comes in the kit. I think the kit runs about $35. The thing that I'm the most impressed about this glue remover, this is an adhesive remover. This is vital to your whole entire process of keeping your lashes on for the 5 to 7 days. It really is, because if you don't have a clean palette and you're not getting all your glue off, you're just not gonna have success. So one thing I'm really impressed with about this product is these claws on the remover. So I was struggling with getting all of the glues off. I use the Lashify emulsifier. It is the Lashify glue remover. Lashify has a product similar to this. It's called Release, which you basically put on the eyelashes while they're still on, and it starts emulsifying the bond, breaking the bond up so you can gently release the lashes. This is a very similar product. I really like this claw on here. It comes with a claw, so the claw can like really go in and clean and pull through the glue off the lash. Very, very helpful. So if you guys are struggling at all with your lashes, this is just, getting the glue off, I do recommend purchasing the Lilac St remover. I've had no problems with it, and I do think it's very comparable to Lashify's remover, the cleanser. Okay, so I had bought the big cleanser from Lashify, and it probably, I think it cost me around $40. Guys, don't quote me on prices. I'm so terrible with numbers. But this is of course, once again, half the price for all the stuff you get, because like even Lashify or even Lilac St is sending the spoolie. It's sending this, so you can go in and just really get that makeup with the shampoo. Here's the shampoo, Lilac St Lash Shampoo, a gentle foaming cleanser for do-it-yourself lash extensions aftercare. Dip spoolie, gently brush through your lashes, rinse the brush, and pat dry. So you're gonna just focus on cleaning the lash. This is for the makeup ladies. I'm a makeup lady. I wear makeup every single day. But the thing that Lilac St sends this with you in their kit. So the value, the thing is I love Lashify. You guys love it too. They're beautiful products, but Lilac St is so comparable and it's just half the price. So you guys, I will be ordering the Lashify or the Lilac St shampoo. I will be ordering the Lilac St remover. Out of the glues, still Lilac St glue, the basic glue is still my favorite. I do the triple bond method, which you guys have seen that video, and that method just works the best for me. So I just kind of wanted to cover that. I wanted to cover, it comes in this little bag. I think it's around $35. And it comes with the shampoo and the remover and a spoolie. So those are very, very helpful. It's great. And it also comes with a microfiber towel, which I left up in my bathroom because, you know, I'm just kind of a hot mess express. But I'm going to do a lash application with you guys today. We're doing the Hollywood 14. So I'm going to share with you guys kind of what I do with this spoolie just to make sure my lashes are super clean. Is I keep working it through like a brush and it just like really goes and like pulls any debris off. You use your lash cleanser. There's a pre-lash cleanser with Lilac St, and it's a great product. And I just go in and I just really clean everything before I put my cleanser on. So I'm going in with the Black Pro. I'm gonna just do some quick dabs right down by the root of the lash. I try to put as much glue, adhesive, bond, whatever you wanna call it, towards the base of the lash, just because it looks less clumpy that way. So that's just a little hack for you guys. I do it 3 times. That's kind of, it's a lashify triple bond method. So you kind of let that set up just a little bit, give it a couple seconds, and we're gonna go in and do number 3, and I just kind of do a tapping. My eyelashes grow down, so annoying. Oh, it drives me crazy, you guys. But it is what it is. We make it work. That's why we're doing do-it-yourself eyelash extensions. I'm gonna start going in and applying right away. And I'm using my surgical. I love this one. It's my favorite. I know it's really sharp near the eye, but for some reason, I just love it. And I'm gonna lift because I have a hooded eye. I'm gonna set right on the lash line, the water line. You don't want it on the water line because it hurts. It will start poking you during the week and you'll start itching, and you want it above. Placement matters for comfort. I do not bond until the very end. So that's another little hack for you guys. Okay, I place that, I overlap it the tiniest bit, nothing major, because I like the spart or the variation in sizes. I don't want them to look too uniform because they look fake. Really great eyelash extensions have varied lengths, and they look real. They look like they're lash extensions, not strip lashes. So I go in, it's wanting to bond, it's grabbing. So my lash map is 14 mm through the whole way through. Hollywoods are varied in size, so I don't really need to buy another size, you guys, because the Hollywoods have short, long, short, long, short, long. That's the reason why I love them. So I'm gonna go into this corner, and this bond is super sticky, so it's one to grab. Okay, so this is like my little hack for you guys. Oh, I forgot my eyelash curler, but I'm gonna go in and bond, and I'm going to bond at the very end. I used to bond each segment. I do not do that anymore. It was too messy, and it was messing things up, so that's just a little hack for you guys. I'll go in and bond on camera with you guys. Grab, this is super sticky bond. It's the Pro, so the Pro is more sticky. The Pro Black. I do not like the Pro Clear because it shows up. I can see it, and I don't like that. Okay, so we got that nicely bonded. I'm gonna go get my lash curler, and I'll show you the difference of what it looks like when I bond with my eyelash curler. Let's do a quick bond with the lash curler. This just kind of lifts everything and just like seals it, and it seals it all together. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys that. Let's do the other eye. Let's do 3 taps with our glue. We're gonna use the Pro Black. Okay, there's one time. There's with lashes, without. It just, you guys, it takes years off. Shaves years off, especially if you have those hooded eyes. That hooded eye video that I just did so well. So many of you guys struggle with hooded eyes. You have the little hangover. It's really common. Lash extensions literally solve the problem. They solve all your problems. Okay, so I'm gonna move really quick. This glue is really tacky, so I'm gonna move really quick. Once again, I'll show you that tweezer. I love the surgical tweezer. I'm going to lift and just put it right on that water line. Once again, just a little reminder, I do not bond until the very end. It just looks better. Sometimes if you bond too soon, you can like lose some eyelashes. They kind of suck over to the other side. So wait to bond until the very end, because then it just kind of seals everything together. Try to keep the glue as close to the water line as you can. That's another little hack, just so your lashes don't clump together too much. I'm still kind of working on breaking that habit of putting it on like mascara, because it just, don't put it too close to the water line because then it's itchy and uncomfortable. So those are just a little couple hacks. Why don't I use a shorter lash in the corner? Because it starts itching. This spot right here is really sensitive for me and it starts itching and watering. So I just don't put anything there because it's a comfort issue for me. It's not comfortable for me to have something right on that corner of my eye because my eye just starts like watering continuously. I love the Hollywoods. These are the Hollywood 14s. Just so you know, I use the Pro Black glue. The glue that's still my favorite is the original Lilac St. I don't know why. I love it. But just a little thing for comfort reasons, I do not put one right here, and it's just because my eyes will start watering and itching like crazy. I think it's more of a like personal thing for me. I use the Hollywoods because they're varied in size. So they go from short to long, short to long, short to long. And when you do it like that, they just have this really natural look. And I don't have to have like something right there because the variation of the lashes kind of blend everything together. Does that make sense? So I'm going to go ahead and bond. You guys, if you watched it this far, could you do me the quickest favor and seriously go click subscribe? I have almost 60,000 views on my YouTube, you guys. And you guys, YouTube is constantly telling me, oh my gosh, you have such great watch time. You have so many views, but the girls need to click subscribe. So you guys, please, if you watch this video to this point, please do me the biggest favor and click subscribe. It just helps me out big time with my algorithm. Thank you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and went in and bonded. This is super sticky, so I'm not going to mess with it too much more because sometimes, you guys, the Pro glue from Lilac St is very sticky. So you don't want to be like over bonding because it kind of has a reverse effect. So your lashes will like get like this really wonky, weird, like pull because of too much bond. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this. And this just kind of like seals the deal. You guys can like see it like pushing everything together, which this helps me because my eyelashes grow down. So not a super dramatic look, very natural, very everyday. I don't go anywhere. So this keeps me looking, you know, I look good, but I'm not like going to the club, you know, and that's the look that I'm kind of going for. So you guys, I hope this video helped today. Make sure you click subscribe. And hey, I have a couple things to let you know. I get an account on TikTok. Please do me a favor, go down and find me on TikTok and click follow. I have an Instagram account. Please go down and find me on Instagram and click follow. I talked to many of you guys already on Instagram and you guys came and found me. It's so funny how YouTube has done that because I have this small community over here on YouTube and then they started messaging me on Instagram because they wanted to ask me questions. So that's really funny. Go find me on Instagram. Please click follow. Send me a message, ask me a question, any of the things. And also my Shopify store is now open. So I sell products that I use in my videos. I sell my closet. I sell just little favorite things that I have, and my Shopify is now open. It's called Restyled by Brandi because I just kind of restyle things. I'm a stylist at heart. So make sure you check those links out below in my comments. Click subscribe, and I appreciate you guys so much. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm going to be monetized. I appreciate you guys, and even you guys just asking me in my other videos saying, Brandi, are you going to review Lilac St? All their new launches, and I appreciate you guys. You guys notice, and yes, I just did the review, and it was great products, so check out my other channels. Bye, guys.